not teach me. I am farmer. It's not a job, okay?
You are the soldier, you are the farmer, you are the doctor, you are the scientist. One thing I want to say, the teacher are the best because
इज द डिबेट राउंड। और ये जो डिबेट राउंड है इसमें हमारे पास जो 5 लोग हैं जिनके मैं नाम रिवील कर रहा हूँ, आई रिक्वेस्ट देम टू बी ऑन द स्टेज। ये हमारी बच्चा पार्टी गैंग के बहुत ही खतरनाक स्पीकर हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे ट्रांसलेटर हैं और बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाली है। भाई मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। कैसा फील हो रहा है दिव्यांशी?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा लग रहा है। यस
Sir, I am feeling good.
राहुल?
Sir, I am feeling excited.
रुद्रांश?
Very excited.
Sir, very confident.
Very confident. I like it. So the topic is actually, it is just like role playing. I think you must have done in the class once. तो उसी टाइप में थोड़ा सा ही रहेगा कि आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो यू द 5 कैरेक्टर्स. Among these you have to play a character of one. So among these 5 personalities जो आपके हाथ में स्लिप आएगा उसी का रोल आपको प्ले करना. समझ गए हम? और अपने रोल को we have to prove that how a farmer is better than others, how a teacher is better than others, how a soldier is better than other, and how a doctor is better than other. ठीक है? मजा आने वाली है. So तैयार है? Okay, let's see.
I am soldier. If I will not there, then who will save you? And who will stand on border with gun? And I stand whole 24 hours in the sunlight, in rain, and in harsh climate. Don't you think that?
Yes.
Hello everyone. I am a doctor. If you are injured, if you got hurt in the war, who will treat you?
I am farmer and farmers are the backbone of India. And if the farmers will not be, so what will you eat?
Hello everyone, I am a teacher. I think that the teacher are the best because a teacher teaches you, and because of the teacher you are on the post of everything. So hello, hi and namaste to one and all present here. I am scientist. I have only invited scientists have only invited the technology. If there were no scientists, how the technology was invented? I do many experiments and I do many types of inventions. Okay, so as you said that you do many types of experiments and you make many types of things. But I want to tell you, I am a teacher, and if the teacher teaches you na, so that's why you are the scientist. If I don't teach you na, so you are not a scientist.
You are saying that you are saying that
I agree with you.
You are saying that you teach me, but I am farmer. You will not teach me. I am farmer. It's not a job, okay?
Yes, come on.
Hello, mister. If we will not protect you, then who will take care of you?
Prove yourself that you are the best.
But who will let you eat something?
Who will treat you?
But who will let you eat something? We are.
Okay,
We are.
let me
letting you.
If I want to tell you now, you are the soldier, you are the farmer, you are the doctor, you are the scientist. One thing I want to say, the teacher are the best because if you are saying that the teacher doesn't teaches you, so one thing if I want to tell, if from your parents you learn to do farming, so
Come on,
your parents are
scientist.
also teachers.
Parents will teach us, no, the teacher will teach us how to farm, okay? You are saying that you are the teacher. You can teach us. I am the farmer.
Okay, so you are the farmer for someone you teach, you learn na farming.
But I will ask you a question. How will you teach us? Excuse me. Hello. Hello. How will you eat something? I am the farmer, and because of you are being able to eat something. That's why you are here. That's why you are here.
Hello, mister. We have many bullets in our chest, don't you think?
Don't you think? But
I'm a
how?
soldier. I sacrifice my life.
Yeah,
Yes, come on.
I sacrifice my life. It's in sacrifice my life.
I will not say you something that farmers are the father of all the posts because they let you eat
But what
something.
if there are-
They
Okay, so
are
what is your-
But
what is your point?
everything.
But
Without
you will
eating, you can't
find-
live.
but if-
Without eating, you can't live. Let me tell you that.
Mr. Farmer, when you fall sick, then you will go to doctor. Don't you think?
But
Come on,
you are
doctor.
the doctor. Who will see the doctor?
What
If
if
the doctor
there are
is
no
hungry, so who will give him food?
मुझे नहीं उधर बोल भाई.
But who purchases?
Who will give him food?
Okay, so who purchases your
Excuse me.
products? If we will not be there, will anyone purchases your products?
Which products?
Yes, you invented stethoscope. You invented microscope. Who purchases it? The doctor only purchases.
Okay, so if I want to tell you, okay, but what you are talking about many things, so you learn from someone, and you learn from someone that is the teacher.
But what about that? You can't live without something. You can't live without something.
Okay. Finally. Each of you will get 30 seconds to prove yourself that you are the best. One by one you have to speak and you have to give some valid points so that the audience and the parents and our judges can understand what exactly are your points. Now the time has come to prove your character. We start from you. Your character is?
I am scientist.
Scientist. Let's see how she is going to play the role of a scientist. Yes.
So hello, hi, I am a scientist. And if there are no scientists, how will you live? How will you live without lights? And they have invented technology. Without technology, the world is not running. How will you run the world? How will you use your mobile phones? And mobile phones scientists have only made the mobile phones. Okay, hello, hi, namaste. So I am a teacher. So one thing if I want to tell you, the scientist, the doctor and the soldier, most of the posts are becoming by teacher because the teacher teaches you and the farmer will say, the teacher don't teach me. So one thing, you learn from farming from someone from whom you are learning. He is also a teacher. So in the every field, teacher is important. That's why teacher are better than the everyone.
Excuse me, audience. I am farmer and I let you eat something. Like I grow something to you to eat, and I am the one who can let you live. Without eating, you can't live. That's my point.
Okay.
Hello everyone. I am a doctor. First, I would like to talk about the scientists. They invented technology. I agree with them. They invented instruments. I agree with them. But who purchases it? The doctors only purchases the stethoscope, microscopes, all the.
So there are not
First,
only
let
that.
me speak. Let me speak. This is a discussion, not the debate. And after debate, but this is role playing, not.
Okay. Yeah, you complete your point. Akshans.
But who purchases your product? The doctor only purchases your product. You have a time limit of working. If you go to the lab, you have a time limit to take 5 to 6 hours. The teachers also had time limit of school that you have to teach 6 to 7 hours. The farmer will only work in the day. But the doctors they have no time limit. The phone
But
will
there
come
are
from.
many things
First,
other
let
than
me
the
complete my point.
microscope.
First, let me complete my point. But after that,
Okay, Akshans, we had given you only 30 seconds. You have taken 1.5 minutes already.
sir, but she's cutting.
Okay,
my-
okay.
There are
she-
not only that
just-
thing only. There are
Okay,
many things.
Akshans, pass the mic. Let him speak. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I am soldier and I protect our country. We spread all the places in cold region and in our Indian Ocean. We are in form of Navy, we are in form of Air Force, and we are form of Land Force. And if we will not there, then who will protect our country and who will see our country? We sacrifice our all the life. We didn't see our family. We didn't see our religions. Only we stand at the border and protect.
Okay.
our country. Don't you think?
Now, all the participants. The time has come for voting. Should we vote? What do you think voting should be?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Clapping for all the participants. Wow.